Hi. Okay, let's go over the categories list parameters for classified Redux. Again, this is for version 6.3. And the big thing here is the drag and drop feature of the of manipulating the categories around. Okay, this is the main list. You've got your main category, your subcategories underneath them. As you can see, I only have one level of subcategories underneath. If we wanted to, we could add multiple subcategories. In this case here, under vehicles, under trucks, I just have a half ton. If I wanted to, I could break it down so that I have compact trucks and full-size trucks, and then under each one of those, I can have a half ton, three-quarter ton, etc. Okay, so you do have multiple levels that you can put out there. And this list basically gives you the category title, a matter of just clicking on the title category name to edit it. It shows you if there's a icon associated with it, and of course you can use animated GIFs. This ads column, basically, if you were to click on this, it'll actually then redisplay a list of all the ads that fall within the category that you've selected here, and you can publish or unpublish it from this page here. And one of the nice features about this drag and drop capability is that in this case here, this is our category display. Services has a lot more items in it than real estate does. Community has a short list. So what we really would like to do is switch this with services. So as far as Joomla 3.0 is concerned, we'll go to our drag and drop, press the left mouse button down, and then just drag it on down until we come to community and move it right afterward. And as you can see, it seems out of sync here, but trust me, it'll clear itself up, and we're just going to click it to reorder here. In the meantime, we'll go to our main page here, and we'll just refresh this one, and as you can see, they just got swapped, and all the subcategories within them got moved also. A nice, quick, and easy feature. Okay, and as far as editing is concerned, like I said, you just click on the name, and this takes you to the page. You can indicate whether this is a main category by the parent being the root, or select a subcategory that it's going to fall within. Okay, if you're going to use a picture, you can click on it here to upload an image, or you can just delete whatever is already there. And there's, of course, the flag in the main configuration that says to use or not use them completely. The description, that's the information that actually will appear, not in this page here, but if we were to click on here, on in this case, all the merchandise, we're going to see a list. And if we had a description, it would actually appear right underneath merchandise to give you a description of everything within this particular category. Okay. Again, you can publish it, unpublish it. You can indicate that you want to restrict it. Basically, what this is let's say you have adult material. So you can set this to, let's say, a value of 18, indicating that somebody has to be at least 18 years old, and it'll pop up as a message indicating that it's restricted and you have to be of age. Okay. You have category restrictions. Basically, you can restrict viewing of this category and its subcategories. You can allow anyone, or they must be registered and above, authors and above, editors and above, etc. Okay. Same thing for exclusive category viewing, meaning that only guests, or in this case, we can set it only authors are allowed to see this particular category. Okay. The same thing for post restriction. We allow anyone, or only registered authors and above, etc., to be able to post a new ad in this particular category. And the same thing goes for an exclusion. Basically, only authors can post in this category, or whatever you choose. Okay, this This is where you can put in the max number of free images for this category. And it, of course, will be overwritten by the subcategories within it. Okay, you can set this value. If you just leave it all at 0, then it's just going to use whatever the global values are set in the main configuration portion. Okay, so you have free images, max number of paid images, and the paid images cost. This way, you can make some categories can be set up to that images are paid for, others are not. And you have a lot of flexibility that way. Category durations and costs for ads. This is where you can set it up so that when somebody's posting an ad, they can determine, you can actually break this down so that, let's say, for the first one, duration of, let's say, 2 weeks, the cost is 0. The second duration is of 4 weeks, the cost is $5. Third duration of 2 months, the cost is $10, etc. And you have up to 5 different levels that you can use for that. If you will allow a registered user that once they have an ad placed, they can clone their ad and they can get a discount off of either a percentage or of a flat fee. Okay, and into one or the other, the discount, of course, takes precedence over the value. Okay, and if you have the featured ads module that you purchased also, you can set it up so that your featured ads can be set up for pricing too, which will coincide with this. Okay, that's it for the editing of the categories list and the categories. Go on to the next item, which is the ads list. Thanks. Bye.